Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day, Wednesday, May 11th, and what we got for economic news releases is the trade deficit worsened by quite a bit. We're down to a negative 48.4 or $0.2 billion, where we were about 45.4 the prior month. So March worsened compared to what it was in February. So these are all important things we're gonna have to pay attention to because obviously if we keep getting into more and more deficits, that means less jobs and everything else. We need to try to hopefully strengthen the dollar and everything. Job openings, a good positive side, opened up a little bit higher. We're about 3.1 million job openings right now versus the prior month for February was about 3 million. So it went up about 100,000, which is not bad. As we mentioned before last month, that there was a number of companies looking to hire a large amount of people, like McDonald's, Deloitte Touche, and Home Depot, and people down the line. So that's all good news right there. So hopefully, but the tomorrow's news will be the big days. We got the jobless claims we'll be watching, but the big one will be the PPI, and then we have the retail sales tomorrow. So the whole PPI is the whole inflation numbers for the wholesale level. But the big market mover, of course, would be on Friday with the CPI, which is the inflationary on the consumer level. So those are going to be the important make or break for this week. Stock market's down currently. So let's go ahead and see where interest rates are moving by taking a look here at the bond market. So here's the bond market we, excuse me, we're taking a look at it. And the bond market's kind of moving in a sideways pattern. We see opening day gap here, and this is a result of the bond rollover here. And basically, if we take out the bond rollover, it would actually be right about here. It's about 35 basis points difference. And it'll be kind of going a sideways pattern here. And that's primarily because, as I've been saying all week, we're kind of looking towards the traders kind of looking towards Thursday, Friday with the PPI and the CPI reports coming out. They want to see where inflation lies, and that can be a big market mover, especially on Friday with the CPI. PPI doesn't always translate to higher inflation because they don't always pass on the cost to consumers. So that's why the CPI will be a little bit more important when it comes to time on Friday. So right now, as we saw, we had a big drop in rates. Rates worsened a little bit yesterday, on Thursday, Tuesday here. So we had a big kind of a drop here as the day kind of progressed. But right now they're kind of hanging in there, hanging about sideways pattern, and rates are about where we left off as of yesterday's close. So, all right, folks, have a good day. And folks, I'm also a loan officer. If you're looking for a mortgage in the state of California, I can also help assist you. You can check out my other websites here at obviously at Mike's Daily Market Report and MikeBjork.com, even CaliforniaMortgageTips.com and the Mike's Homebuyer University.com. I have some great resources there. But feel free to give me a call at 310-694-3544. I can do refinances, and I also do purchases. So I can help you get pre-approved to buy that next home here. So thank you, and keep me in mind.